Hey guys, this is David. In this new video I'll show you how to color a dark skin. And as always I'm using a mix of markers and pencils, so I hope you enjoy it. For this one I'm gonna use mostly dark tones, and I'm gonna start with markers and use pencils after that to make details, highlights and shadows. In this lighter part I'm going to use the white gel pen to add some highlights, and you can also use a paintbrush of any kind to smudge it. So you can basically work with 3 different tones here: a light tone, mid-tone and a darker one. But depending on the reference you can add a lot of different colors to these, which will give many different tones. So that's it guys, I really hope you liked it. If you had any doubts about how to draw simple dark skin, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be back with a new video soon.